First numerical, calculate the moment of force of 16 Newton. So moment of force of 16, okay, we have to calculate the moment of force of 16 Newton. So force is given 16 Newton about an axis of rotation at a normal distance of 0.5 meter from the force. Okay, so axis of rotation is how far? This is the axis of rotation. How far it is? 0.5 meter from the force. This is the axis of rotation. How far? 0.5. So this is acting normal to this one at a distance of 0.5. How much force it is acting? 16 Newton. And this is the distance equal to 0.5 meter. It is given, it is the axis of rotation. Now calculate the moment of force. So what is the formula for moment of force? Moment of force, torque or turning effect they are saying. So force is given, you will write like this. Force F equal to 16 Newton. Yes. Distance or perpendicular distance, okay? The distance is fine, 0.5 meter. So moment of torque, moment of force, not
Force
torque.
into perpendicular
Moment,
distance.
force into perpendicular distance, F into D you can write, okay? It's perpendicular distance. So 16 into 0.5. How much it is?
सारे दिन तो सूरज है बाद में
How
देखो
much it will be? Kushi, please mute yourself.
8.0.
8.0. 8 and it will be unit will be Newton meter. Always check the units. SI unit, Newton meter. 8 Newton meter. Okay. So this way you must do the numericals. Write what is given first. Force F is this one, distance is this one. Write the formula and then calculate it. Okay. This way, see, if you make mistake anywhere, you will get the marks. For example, in formula, you will get the marks. Or in writing these things, you will get the marks. Okay. So always write whatever data is provided to you in the question. Okay, you must write those all things. Okay. Now try second one, everyone. Read the second one question. A nut is opened by a wrench having 20 centimeter arm length. So wrench is having 20 centimeter arm length. So we are having a nut. Nut you all know. Okay. Now a wrench we have. A wrench. Okay. So wrench and its arm length is how much? 20 centimeter. Its arm length is 20 centimeters given. If a least force required to open the nut is 3 Newton. Least force means here we are applying the force. How much we are applying the force? 3 Newton. We are applying 3 Newton force at a distance of 20 centimeter from the axis of rotation. Okay. So it means force F equal to how much? 3 Newton. D is how much? 20 centimeter. It is in CGS. So we have to convert it into SI. How much in meter it will be? 0.2 meter or 0.20 meter. They are same only if you write. Okay, calculate the moment of force, everyone. How much are you getting? Moment of force equal to F into D. 3 into 0.2. It will be 0.6 Newton meter. Understood, everyone?
Yes.
0.6 Newton meter. Okay, try third one. Try third one. Try third one. A child of weight 20 kg is sitting at a distance of 1.5 meter from the fulcrum of a seesaw. So this time we are having a seesaw. Seesaw is like this. Okay. Or we make it straight. Okay. Now a child is sitting. How the child is sitting? Of weight. Weight is given how much? That is force only. Force equal to weight. kgf. Kilogram force. Okay. kgf we have studied or not?
KGF is a movie.
Oh, KGF is a movie. Which movie? Which movie is it KGF? Huh? Okay, so a child weighing 20 kgf. Okay, we'll discuss after some time. 20 kgf is sitting at a distance of 1.5 meter from the fulcrum. So child is sitting at a distance of 1.5 meter. So this child can be male or female. It can be. Okay. Now meter. What is the moment of force of weight of the child? What is the moment of the force? What is the moment of force? See here, this is in kgf unit. This force is in kgf. We have to convert it into Newton. It is given. Okay, so how we are going to write?
20.
F equal to 20 kgf. And what is given? See here, 1 kgf equal to 10 Newton. Okay. In 9th class, we study this in detail. Okay, kgf unit all. So 1 kgf, kilogram force. This means kgf means kilogram force, with which, so 1 kgf means the force with which the body is being attracted by the earth. That is the force by which the earth attracts the body. Or we can say,
8 Newton, then why we have
okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. See here. What is happening? See here, we are having 1 kg of body. Okay. Now the force applied by the gravity, that will be how much? We say 1 kgf, or we say 9.8 Newton. That is equal to 10 Newton. Okay. Understood? When we are having body of 1 kg, the force with which the earth will attract it or earth will pull it, that force will be how much? 1 kgf. This F denotes we multiply with 10. So it means 1 kgf is how much? 10 Newton. It is 10 Newton. So 20 kgf will be how many Newtons? 20 into 10 Newton. How much?
200 Newton.
200 Newton. Okay. Okay. 200 Newton. Okay. Now next one. Distance is how much? 1.5 meter.
1.5
Calculate the moment of force. 1.5 into 2, 3. How much it will be? 3. How much?
300 Newton.
300 Newton meter. This will be the moment of force. Okay. Try next one. An object is pivoted at a given point. Okay. So we are having an object pivoted at a point. This object can be anything. So for example, this is our object, amoeba-like. Okay. Here is the axis of rotation. It is pivoted at this point. Okay. Now, a force of 6 Newton is applied at a normal distance of 30 centimeter from the pivoted point. From here, at a distance of 30 centimeter, we are applying a force. At a normal distance, that is perpendicular. Here we are applying the force. How much force are we applying? 6 Newton.
6.0 Newton.
6.0 Newton means 6 Newton only. See here, what does 0 denotes here? Accuracy. That is more accurate. More the zeros after decimal, it's more accurate. Okay, it's 6 Newton only here. Okay, so force is given, distance is given. Force equal to 6 Newton or 6.0 Newton, you can say. Distance equal to 30 centimeter. Convert it into meter. How much it will be? 0.303 meter. Calculate the moment of force. 6 into 0.3. How much you are getting? 1 point. Okay, tell me the answer, everyone.
1.8 Newton.
1.8 Newton meter. Yes.
0.18.
0.18. How 0.18? 6 into 0.3. Okay. 6 into 3, 18. Now how many decimal places? 1. Okay. If you are multiplying like this, 6.0 into 0.3. So if you are multiplying like this, now it will come 180. Yes or no? Now 1 decimal place, 2 decimals, 1.8. If you are multiplying 6 into 0.3, it means 6 3 is 18 and 1 decimal place. Understood this? Have you understood? Both the answers are same. Okay. In higher classes, you will see more the zeros after decimal places, more the accuracy. That's only the difference. Understood? Okay. Try next one, everyone. Try next one. Everyone try next one till I rub the board. Okay. Now the questions are from pressure. So do you remember the formula how the pressure is related with force and area?
Force upon area.
Force upon area. So pressure is nothing but force per unit area. Force upon area. Okay. So read the question and try to do, everyone. Calculate the pressure exerted by a force of 400 Newton acting on an area of 80 centimeters square. So we have to calculate the pressure exerted by the force. Force is given how much? How much it is?
400 Newton.
400 Newton. Okay, it's SI unit.
400.
Okay. And what is the area?
80 centimeter square.
Force, F-O-R-C-E. This is fifth. Area A, 80 centimeters square. Convert it into meter square. How to convert it into meter square?
That's 0.8 meter square.
Okay, by 0.8 meter. Okay, see here. If you are writing 0.8 meter square, is any mistake there? Is it correct or wrong? Check it once. Okay, if I say you convert 80 centimeter into meter and 80 centimeter square into meter, what you're going to write? 80 centimeter is clear, divided by 100, 0.8 meter. Here, if you are writing 0.8 meter square, it's wrong. See here how it's wrong.
Meter square.
What answer?
8 meters. And sorry, sir.
No.
64 meters square.
No. No. See here what you have to do. How to convert it into meter square. Okay. 80 centimeter square we have to convert. Okay. So 80 centimeter means 80 centimeter square means centimeter into centimeter. It is? Yes or no? Can we write it like this? 80 into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We can write it like, okay. Now each centimeter convert into meter. 80 into 1 upon 100 meter into 1 upon 100 meter. Now multiply them. What you are getting? 80 divided by how many zeros? 4 zeros. Meter square. Have you got? Each centimeter we are converted into meter. Okay, if it is cube, 1 centimeter cube. In meter it will be how much? 1 by 100, 1 by 100, 1 by 100 meter square. Because each centimeter we have to convert into meter. It means divided by how much? 10 lakh. 10 raised to power 6 we have to do. Understood now? Have you understood? Shirin, please mute yourself. Okay. Have you all understood this one?
Yes,
So
sir.
area how to convert? It means 8 centimeter we have to, each centimeter we have to convert. It is the 1 centimeter. It means 80 times 1 centimeter cube. Now meter cube we have to do. It means centimeter cube square. Centimeter square we have to convert into meter square. 80 meter square. How many zeros we will divide? 4 zeros will be there here. Centimeter into centimeter. So there are 2 centimeters. Both we have to convert into meter. So this will be the area. Now calculate the pressure. Pressure is what? Force upon area. Okay, what is force? 400 Newton divided by 80 divided by.
0.008.
Okay, or you can do it like this. These all will go where? 1 0 we can already cancel. Okay, it is
So go with
400 divided by 80 upon 8 upon 1000. Okay, these 1000 will go in. You can divide or take it in. 400 into 1000 divided by 8. Or you can do one thing. See here. That will be better. Don't cancel here. Let them be zeros. Okay. Let there be light or let there be 0. Okay. So now 400 divided by 80 and this will come in numerator. Okay. Into 10,000. This all you know. Now cancel them. 0, 0, 8, 5, 7. So what answer you're getting? 5 and 4 zeros Pascal. Or you can write it 5 into 10 raised to power. How much it is?
4.
Okay, it is like this 5 into Pascal. Okay, or we can write it 5 into 10 raised to power 4 Pascal. Understood everyone? Have you all
Yes,
understood this one? So we have done the mathematics also. Okay, try next one now. Again, force required you have to calculate. Force required, it's the same way only. This time pressure is given. Calculate it, try it. So I'm rubbing this part, top part, okay? Area is given. Force is not given, but instead of force, pressure is given. Okay. Next one. What force is required to exert a pressure of 2 into 10 raised to the power 4 pascals? Pressure is given how much? 2 into 10 raised to the power 4 pascal. Pascal is nothing but Newton per meter square that we have studied. Okay, Pascal. On an area of 200 centimeters square. On an area of 200 centimeters square. It is SI unit, this is CGS. So convert it into meter square. How to convert? 200 divided by?
Upon 10,000.
Upon 10,000 meters square. Okay. Force is pressure upon area. What you have to calculate this time?
Force.
Force we have to calculate. It means force equal to pressure into area. Okay. Force equal to pressure is how much? 2 into 10 raised to the power 4. So we can write it like this. 10 raised to the power 4 can be written like this. Into 200 divided by this much. Okay. Cancel them. 400 Newton. Okay. As well, you can do it like this. This you can write it 200 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 meters square. Now multiply them. Force equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power 4 into 200 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. So 10 raised to the power 4, 10 raised to the power minus 4. You have studied in mathematics. Base is same, powers we add. So they will cancel or not? 4 minus 4, 0. 10 raised to the power 0 is 1. So F equal to 2 into 200. And it is how much? 400 Newton. You do it like this, or you can do it like this. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, try next one now. Try next one. Yashvi, you can lower your hand or your hand will pain. Your digital hand you can lower. Okay. Now you are having digital hand as well? Yes or no? You all are having?
Yes, sir.
So you got 3 hands. 2 physical, 1 digital on Teams app. Okay, try next one. Try next one. A force of 2,500 Newton produces a pressure of 50,000 Pascal. So force is there, a force, this force is producing pressure, okay? Now we have to calculate the area of the surface on which the force acts, okay? We have to calculate the area. So what is given? Pressure is given, and pressure is how much? 50,000 Pascal. And force is given. Force, you may write force, it's okay. Force is how much? 2,500. 2,500 Newton. And we have to calculate the area. Now see here, SI. So pressure equal to force upon area. Area equal to force upon pressure. Okay. So area will be how much? Calculate everyone. So force is how much? 2,500 divided by 50,000. Calculate everyone. How much are you getting? Calculate everyone.
0.05.
0. Okay. 2 zeros gone. Now. Okay. 25.
0.05.
0.05 meters square. Okay. You can convert it. So see here, divide by 5. Divide by 5. 5 1 here 100. And here we have 5. 5 divided by 100. 0.05 meter square. Understood? Keep zeros as such. 5 divided by 100, you will get 0.05 meter square. So area on which the force acts is 0.05 meter square. Okay. Try next one. Try next one. Everyone try next one. Okay. In next question, what is given? A heavy stone of weight. Weight is nothing but, what do you define weight? Weight is the force with which the earth
Which it attracts the earth.
attracts or pulls the body, okay, towards its center. So that is nothing but force. Weight is nothing but force, okay. So heavy stone of weight 80,000 Newton is placed on a platform of dimension this much. Calculate the pressure of on the platform. So we are having heavy stone and it is placed on a platform, okay, like this. For example, this is, and this platform area is given, this area is given. Now we have to calculate the pressure on the platform, okay. So what is given?
Good.
Okay, okay, good. You are faster than me. Okay. So
Sir,
force is given how much? 80,000
1000 Newton.
Newton. Okay. What will be the area? Dimensions are given.
20 meters square.
20 meters square. Okay. Either you calculate or don't calculate because we are going to cut them. So it is fine to write like this.
So the answer is 4000 Pascal.
Okay. Or you can write 20. It's fine. You can cut that also. That is also easy to cut 20 meters square. So pressure equal to force upon area
It at 4000 pascals.
divided by 20. So 0, 0 cancel. How much? 4,000 Pascals. Pascal. Okay. Understood? This much force will be exerted. That is 4,000 Newton of force will be exerted on 1 meter square. That is, this much pressure will be there. Okay, do the ninth one. Everyone do the ninth one. Pressure exerted on a surface of area is given. Due to an object placed on it, this many pressure. Okay, pressure exerted on the surface of area 0.5 meters square due to an object placed on it is, so pressure is given, area is given. Calculate the thrust acting on the surface. Thrust means that is force only, normal force. Calculate it. Force we have to calculate. Pressure. So pressure exerted on the surface of area 0.5 meters square. 0.5 meters square. Okay, pressure exerted on the surface area point due to an object placed on it 6 into 10 raised to power 3 pascals. Okay, and you have to calculate the thrust acting. Thrust means nothing but force. Force equal to pressure into area. Calculate and tell me as well. 6 into 10 raised to power 3 into 0.5. So 6 into 0.5 will be how much? 3. 3 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton or 3000 Newton. Is this clear? Is this clear to all? 3000 Newtons. Have you all got the answer? Okay, try last one. Try last one. Everyone try last one. Yes?
Sir, my answer is coming 300 Newton.
300 Newton. How? See, you may have forgotten this 0.5. 6 5s are 30. Then point is there. 3.
3 into 1000.
3 into 1000. Check it once again. Somewhere you may have forgotten this area. 0.5 it is, not 5. So 6 into 5, 30. 6 into 0.5 we are doing. So 6 5s are 30 and 1 point. So 3 is the answer. Yes or no? Or you can do it this way as well. How much it is? 6 into 1000 into 5 by 10. Okay. 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 5s are 30 and 2 zeros. Newton. Understood? This way as well you can do.
100
Okay.
is 5 upon 10.
Okay. 6,000 into 5.10. You get 3,000 Newton. Okay. Try next one. So a girl weighing 32 kg. So mass of the girl is given on 1 foot. So only on 1 foot she is standing. A base area of her foot is given. Calculate the pressure exerted by her on the floor. So see here what is given. Mass is given. Mass of girl. How much is the mass of the girl? 32 kg. Okay. 32 kg. So can you infer in which class she can be? 32 kg. She is a small child or not?
Yes, sir, she's small.
Maybe first class or nursery class, maybe. Okay. So a girl weighing 32 kg stands 32 kg. Okay, second or third or fifth class. Okay. So girl weighing 32 kg stands on 1 foot. She is standing on 1 foot only. Okay. And the base area of her foot is how much? 80 centimeter. So area is given. So leave some space. You have to calculate the force as well.
4 into 10,000 Pascal is the answer.
That's fine. Mass of the girl is given. And what will be the force? Force exerted by the girl.
320 Newton.
Force exerted by the girl will be 32 into 10. M into G. M into G it is. Okay. Or see here what we can say. If mass of a girl is 32 kg, then the force exerted by her, that will be 32 kgf, we can say. This is nothing but weight. This is mass. How to convert mass into weight? Just put F. This is the force. 32 kgf is the force with which the body is attracted by the earth. Okay, weight of the body. So force will be 32 kgf, or we can say 32 into 10 Newton. It will be how much? 320 Newton. Understood this one? Force. Force, you understood? Okay. There's one more way as well. Force is nothing but mass into acceleration due to gravity. We have studied this one. Mass m is there and 10 meter per second square. So 32, 320 meters. Okay, this one. Force you got. Area is how much? 80 centimeter square. Convert it into meter square. So 2 centimeters are there.
Meter square.
80 divided by 10,000 meter square. Because each centimeter we have to convert into meter square. So what will be the now pressure we have to calculate? Force upon area. 320 divided by 80 divided by 10,000. It will go in numerator. 320 divided by 80 and into 10,000. 0, 0 get cancelled. 8 4 is 32. So how much? 40,000 Newton or Pascal, you say Newton meter square. Newton per meter square. 4 into 10 raised to power 4 Pascals. 4 into 10 raised to power 4.
So we can write 4 into 1000 Pascal also.
Yes, you can write. But either you write this is more better or this way, okay? This is more better. You can write either this one or this one, okay? So we have completed the numericals. Numericals are clear or not?
Yes, sir. These are very easy.
2 minutes are remaining. We can discuss the fill in the blanks. Okay. So first one, Dipesh, you answer. First one. In a door, the handle is fixed at dash distance from the hinges. At dash distance, maximum distance, maximum possible distance you can write, or maximum distance you can write. In a door, the handle is fixed at maximum possible distance from the hinges. Maximum possible is fine. Even if you write maximum distance, that's fine. Okay. So first one, maximum possible. Okay. Maximum possible. It must be far, far from the hinges, as much as possible. Second one. So first one. Maximum possible. Second one. The principle of dash is utilized while tightening a nut using a span.
Effect of force or moment of force.
So you can write simple, the principle of moment of force. Principle of moment of force. Principle of moment of force. Okay. Moments are there. That's those we apply. In more detail, you study them in 10. Okay. Third one, for a given thrust, pressure is dash proportional to the area of the surface. It is directly or inversely proportional. Pressure and area inversely
Inversely proportional.
Inversely proportional. For a given thrust, pressure is inversely proportional to the area of the surface. A coolie wear a turban on his head so as to dash the pressure.
Decrease.
To decrease or to reduce, you can write, okay? Fourth one, reduce the pressure, or you can write decrease the pressure also. Okay? Any word you can write. Understood? So more the surface area, less the pressure. Fifth one, liquid pressure at a point dash on the shape and size of the container.
Does not depend.
Does not depend. Does not depend. Or doesn't depend.
We can also write independent.
See here how you can write independent. On is written. Liquid pressure at a point independent on the shape. If off is written, then we could have written independent. That's better word? Yes or no? Independent of the shape and size of the, but here on is written. So depend is better word. That is does not depend. Okay? Does not depend on the shape and size of the container. Because of on, we have to write does not depend. Okay? Sixth one, a liquid. A liquid exerts dash pressure in all directions at a particular depth. Liquid exerts in all directions at a particular depth equal pressure. Sixth one, equal pressure in all directions at a point, at a particular depth. Okay. Next one, we are able to suck cold drink through a straw on account of
Atmospheric pressure.
atmospheric pressure. Seventh one, atmospheric pressure. Do you see something here? Atmosphere. Sphere means sphere, like a ball.
Yes, 3D
Sphere is coming
circle.
up. Yes. Eighth, atmospheric pressure is maximum at,
Sea level.
mainly we take the sea level, okay? Don't go inside the sea depth, okay? Sea level is fine. Sea level. Okay? It's maximum at the sea level. Because at depth inside the sea, we have the liquid pressure as well as atmospheric pressure, okay? So it's at maximum at sea level, we consider. Okay? So with this, we end the class today, okay? Rest we'll discuss after your examination, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Now see here, those students whose notebook is not checked, they can do one thing. Text me your WhatsApp, text me your name, your class section, and your work on WhatsApp. Anytime you can send me, okay? So don't worry about anything. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.